Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I got another fantastic Lautie product. I got the carousel here. I don't know, guys. Let's check it out. By the way, you can check out Fablades.com, see what is up there. And you can also check out at Fablades on Instagram and let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this huge one? This is a beast and it comes in the classic Lautie package. You got some goodies as well in here, a couple stickers, extra bearing and some other stuff that we're gonna check in a second. So happy when they include some spare parts. It also comes with this tool right over here, or stand. We're gonna check it in a second. I'm just gonna grab this guy over here, which I love. This is a Cody Utzler Duck or Duke daily utility knife. With me to just open this package right over here, and boom, here we have it, guys. This is insane. It is gorgeous. It's the roulette carousel. You can carnival. Sorry, you can. Guys, this thing is just gorgeous. Zirconium stainless steel. It's a limited edition, of course. There's 966 made with this configuration right there. So basically, this thing just stays on the desk. You can have it spin like on the outside, or you just can hold it and have this guy spin like so. I'm thinking that this guy kind of like, it can be used like to, there you go, as a stand maybe, or just like a tool. Yeah, no, this is a tool. So let's find out immediately what is going on with this fella right over here. So that part just came off. This also came off as well. So definitely not a stand, but just the tool. I love this guy right over here, which is also right over here. Man, amazing design, guys. So let's see. This fella here maybe pops out like so. So you get that piece here. You need like this to unscrew that part, and this is just gonna come off, and there's gonna be a bearing inside. So I'm just gonna leave it to this right over here, and on the back like so. So basically, guys, what is this? This is like a, we can call it like a spinner because it spins. So you can just hold it like that. It's kind of wobbly a little bit. There's a little bit of play, and this is fully tightened. So there's some substantial weight and size. So let's check that first. And then we're gonna play a little bit. So overall, look at that, 56 millimeters in width and 19 millimeters in height for this guy. It is a big boy because that's the Black Mirror design telephone dial. This is the Go Bigger pill bag, which is not a small fidget. And of course, I mean, we got the Carnival, and we also got another roulette right over here from Shirogorov Knives. I mean, these are all big boys, like to show you a little one, that's the 3B from AC/DC. That is the Milkia, which is still a big boy, but anyways, you get the idea. And you also maybe are wondering about the weight of this fella, and yeah, that block of zirconium like that is gonna make some difference on the scale at 178 grams, definitely a desktop fidget toy, not really like a pocket one, but we got in the little bags of goodies a couple of balls right over here. So you can just use one. We're gonna use, look at the two. Just spin it. One just popped out, but it's fine, you know. And you can play and wait and see and point and gamble and bet on the number that is going to come up. And just have some fun with your friends. If you get bored on a night together, you can take this with yourself and play pretty much anywhere. But you're gonna be saying, Fab, how come there's no cover? So that ball is likely to jump out of the toy, right? Yes, you're right, because there's a glass dome, a sapphire, a crystal dome that can be installed here, but still it's not ready yet. It's not available yet. It's gonna come a little bit down in the future, maybe in a month or so, but it's gonna be able to protect and keep the ball on the inside, so you can play without worrying to lose this little fella, which is gonna go back into its bag. So anyways, let's just check out real quick some details. You have some numbers on the inside. Don't play with the devil. Lautie 2099, of course. It is beautifully machined. It's a gorgeously looking piece. I love that you can spin it just like that and admire the skull at the back. You can hold it nicely and just have it like a spin. Maybe, yeah, not like, maybe like that. No. Yeah, like this. And stop it in the back, or just maybe give it a spin from the back. So they're really independent mechanisms. So this guy spins, nothing spins in the front. Hold it in the back, this guy spins, nothing spins in the back except for the skull. So it has a very, very nice mechanism, or you can just hold it like that and just have it just spin all the way. And this fella also can be unscrewed, probably because that's how you're gonna install the sapphire glass. And I love this machining details, really. Well done, guys. Probably this is one of my favorite Lautie products so far. It's big. I love the desktop toys, guys. This is a big one, yes, but it's amazing. This is meant to be on the desk. And notice that there's a gasket here. There's an O-ring, a rubber one. So it just doesn't go anywhere. So it just, sticks to the table, and you just push it or just hold it and spin that way. So, and you're gonna have some assured fun with this fella. Just wait for the glass, the sapphire glass dome, and just put a couple balls in it, or one, and just, yeah, have a nice bet with your friend, all in safety, of course, and just be mindful, don't waste any money. It's just like a play, a game. So, don't play with the devil. That's the reminder for this thing. Gambling can be dangerous. So that's a reminder right there. Just have fun in a responsible way, of course. But I mean, this is a fantastic piece. I really hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. And thanks for watching. And stay tuned.